Good morning. It's Monday, June 8th, and you're watching Agoracom TV here on the Small Cap Epicenter, agoracom.com. My name is Jim Herron. Let's get on to today's show. We have three great stories for you today. Our first one comes from the OTCBB. Under the symbol CBPO is China Biologic Products. The company will issue 3.8% senior secured convertible notes due in 2011 in the aggregate principal amount of approximately $9.6 million. The notes are convertible into shares of China Biologic's common stock at a conversion price of $4 per share. Along with the notes, the company issued warrants to purchase up to 1.1 million shares of the company's common stock at a price of $4.80 per share. The private placement financing provides the company with sufficient working capital as they integrate two recent acquisitions into their existing operations. China Biologic is one of China's leading plasma-based pharmaceutical companies, and they are based in Taiyuan City in China. They last traded at $4.36. Their 52-week high and low of $5.50 to $1.05. They have a market cap of $93.46 million. That again is China Biologic Products on the OTCBB on the symbol CBPO. Moving on to Canada, we have Banro updates their Twangingza feasibility study, which increases their proven and probable reserves by 23.7% to 4.54 million ounces of gold. Banro trades on the TSX on the symbol BAA and on the NYSE Amex board under the symbol BAA. Banro is an Agoracom client for full disclosure purposes. They have updated a feasibility study that adds a further 882,000 ounces of gold production. Here are the highlights. Total proven and probable reserves have increased by 0.87 million ounces, or 23.7%, from 3.67 million ounces to 4.54 million ounces of gold. Their initial capital costs have decreased by 7.9% from $409.65 million US to $377.43 million US. These initial capital costs include a contingency of $35.5 million. Their average annual production of 312,979 ounces of gold over the first 3 years of the project at an average operating cash cost of $261 per ounce US. Average annual production of 262,215 ounces of gold over the first 5 years of the project at an average operating cash cost of $325 US per ounce. Banro last traded at $2.54. Their 52-week range, $8.40 to 80 cents. Their market cap is $102 million. Again, that's Banro on the TSX and on the NYSE Amex board on their same symbol, BAA. And again, they are an Agoracom client for full disclosure purposes. Our last story is Carbon Friendly Solutions. They trade on the they trade under the symbol CFQ on the TSX Venture Exchange. They are joining the Agoracom 100. They are our newest acquisition to the Agoracom 100. They provide solutions for companies, organizations, and individuals looking to reduce or offset their global warming impact caused by greenhouse gas emissions, while including the generation of carbon credits for sale in global voluntary and compliance markets. Again, that's Carbon Friendly Solutions, and we welcome them to the Agoracom 100 under the symbol CFQ on the Venture Exchange. We have one halt for you today. It is Foschini International Inc. They trade under this Venture Exchange symbol of FOI. They are halted pending news. George and Paul are both at the World Resource Investment Conference today, which is being held at the Vancouver Convention Center. So if you're in the Vancouver area, please join them at the Vancouver Convention Center and go by and say hi to George and Paul. Later on this week, both George and Paul will be in Las Vegas at the Mandalay Bay at the Reverse Merger Conference. So if you're in the Las Vegas area on Thursday and Friday, drop by Mandalay Bay's Convention Center there and say hi to George and Paul, and also take a look at the Reverse Merger Conference. It's a great conference that is being held twice yearly in the States by Deal Flow. Those are our stories for today. Please join us again tomorrow for some more great small cap news.